When you work on a computer, you're looking at a computer screen that can produce not only millions of colors, but also very vibrant colors. Here we see the color wheel. On the outside are the most vibrant colors. And when the colors blend together in the middle, they become gray. Some of the most vibrant colors on the outside cannot be printed using a 4-color printing process, which uses cyan, magenta, yellow and black ink. In Photoshop, we can see which colors cannot be printed by going to View, Gamut Warning. Let's do the same in Scribus. To see which colors cannot be printed, I go to File, Document Setup, Color Management. I activate Color Management. I select Simulate Printer on the screen. I click on Mark Colors out of Gamut, and click on OK. We get the same markings as we got in Photoshop. So Photoshop and Scribus agree on which colors are too vibrant to print. Now that we know that we cannot print all colors that a monitor can produce, the question is, why is this? At the left we see the colors that both Photoshop and Scribus agree cannot be printed. And at the right, we see how these vibrant colors actually look like if we would print them. This means that when printed on paper, these colors will be a bit less vibrant. So, why is this? At the left, I place the most vibrant colors a monitor can produce. And at the right, we see what these vibrant colors look like when printed. Maximum yellow, magenta, and cyan can be printed quite well, simply because they are the printing colors. But reproducing red, green and blue on paper is much more difficult. The reason is that we have to simulate these colors by mixing different inks. For example, you cannot print red. Red has to be created by mixing magenta and yellow ink dots. Green is a mixture of cyan and yellow. And blue is built up by cyan and magenta. From these 3 non-printing colors, green suffers the most, followed by blue. And red tones can be printed quite well. So from the 6 basic colors, only vibrant greens and blues will be noticeably less vibrant on paper. And as we can see on the color wheel, there are no limitations to printing yellow tones. In the next lecture, we will see how easy it is to create and work with colors that can be printed.